Hi, AT from CNC at Home. With the new Atomstack P7, we need to come up with a list of feeds and speeds, power settings, that sort of thing for all types of material. Here we're doing a white tile that's coated in CGC, it's a cold galvanizing compound, and trying to find out what parameters are going to work. On this first burn, we went from 35% to 80% power, 2,000 millimeters per minute to 3,800, and that was didn't work. Down here in the lower right, it was too much power, and everywhere else it was good, but we need to find where our limit is. How fast can we go? What low power? I'm going to put another tile in here and we'll run the same experiment. This time we'll go from 4,000 millimeters per minute up to 4,800 millimeters per minute and see how that looks. The end result turned out pretty much every square was dark and looked great. That's not really what we want to see. We want to see something with some variety. The nice thing is this means that we have a huge amount of settings that we can use to burn the CGC and get good results. Even though this burn turned out well, in a sense, it didn't turn out well. What we normally want to happen is have lighter or really too dark stuff down here, have a good swath kind of diagonally through here of good parameters, and then up in this corner it not being enough. As an example, here's a different tile. This was using the white paint method, and as you can see down here it's really dark, but up here it's starting to get light, and so diagonally across here we have really good settings. That's what we want to see. Now, this was white paint on a white tile. This was the cold galvanizing on a white tile. Everything turned out so dark and black. It's awesome, which means I can pretty much set whatever I want. Anything from 35% power up to 80% power, and this one was 4,000 millimeters per minute all the way up to what, 4,800 millimeters per minute. So quite a wide range of speeds that I can do on this. So what we'll do is we'll pick something in here. This is really starting to get fast for such a small tile. It's really never, the thing's never going to get quite up to speed. It's going to have to speed up, slow down. That's not going to be efficient. So I will pick something kind of in the high mid 40s and probably in the low power settings as my default for using the CGC with the white tile method. Anyway, that's what turned out for this experiment. We've got some burn parameters now. We can go ahead and use that Atomstack P7 to do a bunch of tiles. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you like the content of our channel, think about subscribing. Enjoy doing your CNC at home projects.
Oops.